Hi everyone, this is Priyanka. I'm co-founder Inner Journey, and I want to ask you one thing today. Tell me that are you among those people who want people around you to be happy? Think about it. Are you one of those people who feel happy and contented and satisfied when people around you are comfortable, they are happy, and nobody is irritated, upset, angry, frustrated, sulking, cribbing, anything? If you are one of those people who feel happy when people around you are happy or in a good space, then my dear friends, I really want you to think that why do you want people around you to be happy? What will happen if, say, your father or your mother or your sibling or say your friend is not happy around you, or they are sad about something, or they are angry or upset about something? What's going to happen? Probably the answer is that you don't feel safe. Because when somebody around you is angry or upset, it makes you feel unsafe in that environment. Probably because maybe when your father in your childhood was not happy, or maybe came back from office with some job related frustration, or your mom came back from work and she was not happy with something, or your parents had a fight with each other, or something happened in the family, and when the people were not happy or they were angry or upset, and you did nothing in the whole scene to upset someone, but their anger or frustration was vented out on you. And that is what actually gets triggered when you see someone who is not happy around you. You start feeling unsafe. You feel that as if now this person is going to attack me, or this person is going to get upset with me, or there's something wrong which is going to happen. I have done nothing wrong, but then still I'm going to get affected by the bad mood of this person. And if you really feel that um, for you it is important to keep everybody happy around you, otherwise it is not safe, then I really suggest that you need inner child healing. You need to heal those memories from where this particular trigger is coming from, this feeling of insecurity or the fear is coming from. And 99% of the times it is coming from your childhood, when say your mother or your father or your sibling was not happy, or something went wrong in their lives, they were frustrated, angry or upset, and everything was actually vented out on you. You were used as a punching bag for them. And it is important to heal this, otherwise all your life you will keep behaving like a clown or a person pleaser, and you will spend your life pleasing others, taking care of what others want, and how do you can do something to keep them happy. And in the whole process you will never be able to think about what makes you happy, because being safe becomes your first priority. So please do think about it. And that is why we've designed this workshop for youngsters, because we at Inner Journeys feel that these are some of the triggers that really needs to be healed. Because as an adult, if you really want to lead a life which will give you a lot of inner peace and happiness, then inner child healing is important. So do think about it. Thank you.